In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Venmo to Bitcoin wallet. Quick tutorial. First, open your Venmo app and sign in with your account. Make sure you're on the latest version of the app so the crypto options appear correctly. From the home screen, head to your profile. This is where Venmo keeps your crypto section alongside your balances and settings. On your profile, look for your crypto balance and tap View to open it. Here you'll see the cryptocurrencies you can manage. Choose Bitcoin if that's what you plan to send. In the example I'm showing, I'll use Litecoin, but don't worry, the process is exactly the same, and I'll call out anything you should double check for Bitcoin specifically. Tap the asset to open its detail page. Next, find the transfer icon. It usually looks like an arrow pointing out. Tap that, then select Send. On the next screen, tap Transfer to proceed. Venmo will ask where you want to send the crypto. Choose external wallet when you're moving funds to a Bitcoin address outside of Venmo. Now enter the recipient information. If you're sending to an actual Bitcoin wallet, paste the BTC address from that wallet. If you're sending to a Venmo contact who can receive Bitcoin within Venmo, you can type their name or username instead. Always verify that the address matches the Bitcoin network. Sending BTC to a non-BTC address will result in a loss of funds. It's a good habit to compare the first and last few characters of the address and avoid retyping it manually to reduce errors. Enter the amount you want to send. You can usually switch between entering in BTC or in your local currency. Choose whichever helps you be precise. Take a moment to check any estimated network fees and minimums that appear on screen. When everything looks correct, tap Send Bitcoin to start the transfer. You should see a confirmation sheet showing the destination, amount, fees, and network. Review carefully, then confirm. Crypto transfers are typically irreversible once broadcast, so this double check protects you. After you confirm, Venmo will begin processing the transaction. Depending on network conditions, confirmations can take a few minutes to longer. You can return to your crypto activity or transaction details to monitor status. That's it. You've sent money from Venmo to a Bitcoin wallet. For larger amounts, consider sending a small test first, then the full balance once confirmed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.